Ki pulit ke jelah ni kasngi ki lapan pau baka daw ba kongsan lyndet ke jingshah pyniap badangshan jong uturis na indoor uraja Voluntary kala bandai na ka jingiadei jingieit ba rieh ke kurim jong ka Sonam bat uraj kushwaha ubala sha kamno haringkat laingot ki waipan na Madhya Pradesh. Ka jing to okit mentahi ka kdo baka don ka jingiadei jingieit ba rieh halor ka ni ka jingshah pyniap kata ka jingiadei ba rieh hapdeng uraj kushwaha bat ka Sonam. Onda kilawan poi syaka ni jela on sala ban pentikna Henry mentahi ngampak laban ong ya kadaw Henry ka kdaw syaka jingiadei jingieit ong USP ke East Coast Hills uba Vivek im haba keren syakilat patai kubor henne ka ningkong. Ula pentip ru bakiladon baru haduk sangut kiba subadon kti kibala syak kemno halor ka ni jingshah ya kibala tip kerteng kum ukushwaha arpwesnam Akash Rajput Khatkandai na Lalitpur u Vishal Singh Chauhan Arpuar bat u Anand Kuli Arpulais namrta yaki balawan lam hakmat kayeng kashari. Ka kenhon jongi kalahir sa Uttar Pradesh ban kem ya ka Sonam ke balalit pendam no yaladi Hananganj Police Station Hagasipur District ki ar kenhon kalahir sa ketika jela ha ka pratur jelio bat ya ka jingkhandra la pelong ha ka tehi kasngi haringkat ki pulit ke Uttar Pradesh bat Madhya Pradesh kat ba ka kenhuan ka balai kaladan ha kalenti banet kem ya ka Sonam ong uba Vivek da ka babenrap bagi pulit ka jela kala kerpat ban penkan ria ya barok kini ki belasyak kenno don kti syaslong na ka benta ban pelong syuk ya ka jing tokin halor ka ni ka jingjah. Uni uhe pulit ula pentikna ba u khushwala umshum ladan haslong Henry udai ma u ubala betha ya kite ki laingon ya ki ba u tourist guide ula penpa ba ulayu iya ki bat kite ki shijur hakasngi bakin sajar ngai no nakathain sora nakabenta ban pyniap ya uraja. Uraja bat ka Sonam kilajar ngai na duk ka arpulai tri ujemang baladam haka jingwan syangkai sngo bahasa sora ha ka ba hadien na lapdien ya ka medyap jong raja na ka jakariat hajan ka kshat wei saudong. USP upentip ru bakat kum ka autopsy report na Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences Nigrims lakdo bagi dan artlik dakmong na kibenta ka kli jong utay ulanon ka wei na syadien bat ka wei syakman. Ha bakali USP ulaong baka jingkem la pelong halur ka nongrim jong kisaki satar. Ya mentahi ngilak ban ong baka SIT tang hapo nyosngi kalalap ya kisaki satar ki balalam syaka jingshah kem jong kini kisubadon kti. Ka SIT kam syamalet syaka ketika jaka ban kem thurmor ya kisuba Henry kalalet haringkat kisaki satar ki babiang batip baki runar ki don hakate ka jaka. Hadien ka jing tokit benia kilalet syaka ketika jaka da ka jingarap da ki buar pulit jong kiti ki jela bat ngila yok ban kem ya ki ula benram. Haba pen pau baka jingwat ikiti syukurim ki bajar ngai ka dei ka kam ka ba pensyam jingieit shibun uba Vivek ulaong naduk ka kelimmat baki lajar ngai no ka jingther ulaba kelas dang bat ki jakariat ki bangila hapan ngam kimlong ki basung ban penkut no ngidon kam ki jingbu record ki baklan ki CCTV namar ngimdan ki bakum kita kumta kani kala bu jingieit shibun.
As you all know about the incident that has happened few weeks back. So this is the moment which I would like to share with all of you about the breakthrough that made by the police force of Meghalaya.
We're lucky we are coming back to you in a very short while from now.
Meghalaya police is pleased to announce a significant breakthrough in the investigation into the recent case involving the disappearance of a honeymooning couple from Indore, Madhya Pradesh, who went missing in the East Coast Hills district in the month of May 2025. Following sustained investigative efforts and multi-state coordination, 4 individuals have been apprehended in connection with this case. 2 from Indore, Madhya Pradesh, and 1 from Latipur, Uttar Pradesh. These arrests mark a decisive development in unraveling the circumstances surrounding the tragic death of Sri Raja Raghuvanshi and the subsequent disappearance of his wife, Srimati Sonam Raghuvanshi. In a further development, Srimati Sonam Raghuvanshi has voluntarily surrendered at the Nanganj police station in Ghazipur district UP and is currently in the safe custody of the UP police. Necessary legal protocols are being followed for her transit and formal statement. This outcome is the result of round-the-clock efforts made by the Meghalaya Police Special Investigation Team, supported by the State Disaster Response Force, National Disaster Response Force, NISAC, local intelligence units, and law enforcement agencies across multi-states, Dorbar Sora, West Jante Hills Monitoring Club, district administration, and media. Despite geographical and logistical challenges and sustained public and media scrutiny, our teams remain steadfast in their commitment to upholding the rule of law. We take this moment to reaffirm that the Meghalaya Police is committed to delivering justice with integrity, professionalism, and perseverance. We are deeply grateful to the families, the citizens of Meghalaya, and all our interstate counterparts for their cooperation and support throughout this complex investigation. Further updates will be shared as the legal proceedings advance. We respectfully urge the media and the public to allow the process of justice to take its course and to also refrain from any speculation. Well, I think as I've already told you, please allow the investigation to start. But I have already told you that we have already arrested those suspects, and now the investigation will start. So I think that question you asked to me is too early to comment anything. It is done jointly after the thorough examination and after the best efforts made by our police from Meghalaya. Then information was also shared to the concerned counterpart.
This is Akash Rajput, 19 years, from Lalitpur. The second person who was arrested was Shri Vishal Singh Chauhan, 22 years, from Indore.
Here?
The third person was Shri Raj Singh Kushwaha, 21 years, from Indore only. And yesterday, Sonam Raghuvanshi, who is actually in Ghaziabad in Nanganj police station. And this afternoon, 12 about in mid-noon, we had arrested Anand Kurmi, 23 years, in Basahari village, Sagar district, Madhya Pradesh. So these are the 4 people who have been arrested, plus one person who is actually detained in Nandgarh police station. A team is heading there. 2 teams had gone on the 8th, that is Sunday. The raid was conducted yesterday, along with UP police and Madhya Pradesh police. The 3rd team is on its way to UP to actually cause arrest of Sonam Raghuvanshi. formal arrest is 4. One is yet to be arrested because the team is going to Gazipur.
This is the official statement we are giving to you, so you please note down.
Well, the major challenges was in fact searching the body first, because of the moment they went missing, torrential rain started. The kind of terrain we have out there also is not easy. Then to top it off, like what sir was saying, is we need probably more robust record keeping, CCTVs. We didn't have any of that, so that was very, very challenging for us. Like I said, in fact, when we actually had done the inquest, we saw that there were sharp wounds on the head, and autopsy report from migrants has indicated that there were 2 sharp cuts on the head, one from behind and one from in front. Yes, Akash, Anand and Vishal Singh Chauhan, they came to Shillong. You can see she's the one of the prime accused. Others are co-accused. I mean, the others are assailants. They committed the murder, but the planning and involvement is, you cannot rule out Sonam Voluntary. Once they come here, then we will know about their background, educational background. That is when they come here.
The arrest happened last night at around 10 o'clock, night time. Then in due course of time, again the second one, the third one, and the latest one happened this morning, as rightly mentioned by our SP, Mr. Vivek Singh. That is the last one, and in between of that again the lady, so-called wife of late Raja, again surrender herself to the nearest police station.
These people committed the crime on the 23rd and had left this place on 23rd. We that time we didn't know whether it was murder. We were looking for them, looking for tourists who actually probably would have been lost. We looked at people who are missing. It was still a missing report. No body was found. Body was found only on the 2nd. That's when SIT was formed and investigation started.
The real issue here is to nab the culprit, the suspects. So now we have done that. The first phase is completed, and now the second phase is just started. And please be patient, wait with us, and I am very sure all the truth will come out in course of the investigation.
At this juncture, we can say that when SIT within 7 days has actually accumulated substantial evidence and has gone down there and zeroed down on the culprits. Okay, SIT just didn't go there and look for suspects. SIT went down there with firm evidence and knew who the culprits were. You know, after doing a lot of homework out here, they went there, and with the help of our counterparts, we arrested them. It's not that, you know, we just took a shot in the sky. It was a lot of substantial evidence, a lot of ground spade work was done. See, if we connected the dots, preliminary investigation will indicate that that's how this whole motive and crime was unearthed. Because when we actually had connected the dots, it was actually Raj Kushwaha with Sonam. So when they come here, that will be confirmed. At this juncture, I will not be able to say what exactly is the motive, but it indicates towards that. I can tell you now is that those 3 people who had come up with them are the same people, yes. See, if you look at the logical sequence of events last night, all these days Sonam was underground. These people also had gone underground. And yesterday when the operation started, suddenly she surfaced. I will not delve into that because that would be speculation. What I'm going is just by the bare facts of the case. Who's involved out here? Where did she go? That will be just the bare fact. We'll go by the evidence of the case and go by the facts of the matter. Whether, you know, she was in touch with anybody, that will be when the investigation starts properly, when she's brought here. That is subject to investigation. But what I can say out here is that Sonam also is a prime accused out here. now they're producing them in court. We'll come to know how many days they require.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll bring that. Well, I think I'm not saying that we don't have a mechanism in the state. We do have. But of course, I'm not saying that it is 100% perfect. We will strengthen further. Where are the areas which need to be strengthened? That we will do it for sure. In fact, instruction has been given, especially from the tourism department, relating to registration of those tourists. And we have already directed all the homestay owners or the hoteliers or whatever to make sure that a proper registration is done. We have told them very, very clearly that they should have a proper registration, all the names, the details, everything. And in fact, we also have in place the app where tourism app has already initiated, where through the app they can ultimately send these documents to the concerned police station or maybe to the SP or to wherever necessary, even to the Dorbar Sonam. Because see, now we need even the Dorbar Sonam, we need everybody into the loop. Kini kita ki rusneo. Gini ki sawut ki beriok kem bat sangut bat katukalok jong late baja. Ngilap baki de gini ki rusneo. Bat kini ki rusneo ru ngala bat ong kim day nang ni jela jomi. Kidai ki benang te na ba jong ke jela ka jomi. Ngatrai kitu ki bekret. Kitu ki ba iNews. Lapi ong ka national le la ka North East le ne kat badai le ne haki social media. Ngatrai ka ne hi kan jubab yaki. Ba plan ka ne ka jing jom kerke joki ban ai ka conclusion ban ong ba ke jelam negala ka di ke besniu le di ke bom singan ka bomut maki hi kin sya kenok kala ba plan kane ka bangin le ran kala mengi kum kinat ni kum kita ki social media le di kum kita ki news ki as well established news ki ba let's say ki ba ju ai ya kata ka kubor sya keleng jok India jogi na ka kubor sya saya kebaar patru nak kalian mencoki komen ni sampai pemelaong ESP mana hidon katukan ni kiba teng I kiba kan naratif kiba gila ai maki kal along tu personal kepala along palat kumi kita ngompi nginem span agaba katukan ni teliki FIR nak kalian jom ka police department kalale
Ini kini untuk Lisa keba bun ki primi khanaptif ba desi ki dalit ki shijur stisha ki thasora tija kadang-kadang terus bom bagi nong stong ke bom long. Kami kadang terus. Kan ni kan investigation kalau pen pau ya ka jingshah. Bagi tulis si kita pasal jingshah tiang lada ki nong stong ki la pen dia pun tate kadang ka jingshah tiang ki. Mereka ni kan investigation kalau wan ra ka jingshah kalau pen pau madan ya ka jingle amdei nang ni kadai beliau nang the ni buat nabar ni bonte. Kani kan ra ta confidence. Ba hoi dan keliru insya Allah.